Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I'm Tony from Homeowner Repair, and in this video I'm going to show you how to get the hood latch on your vehicle to stop sticking if it becomes sticky. I'll show you a few things to look out for and something you can try. But before I roll into that, remember, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. That'll help us out a ton. And subscribe to the channel. We've got a lot of great stuff coming out, and if you have a question, leave a comment and I will reply back to you. Let's get rolling. So if your hood latch becomes sticky when you go to pull the hood release and it tends to not open so easily, see if there is play in the hood release cable. If you can pull the hood release and it has quite a bit of play in it, the cable could be stretched and it may be time to replace the hood release cable. So I'm going to pop the hood on my truck because my cable is fine, and I'll show you what you can do if this isn't the problem and the hood latch is just sticky on your vehicle. So I'm going to open up the hood of my truck and I'll show you what to look for. So there's a release right here that you kind of hit to the side to actually lift the hood up and release it. It's like a safety catch. So if the latch fails, it's a safety catch, or there should be a safety catch on your hood that'll catch the hood and it'll prevent it from flying up on the highway, something like that. So this moves to the side. So typically gets sticky on hood latches is the mechanism right here. So I'm going to go around to the back side of it. And it's right here, and a lot of times over the years, you might get some rust in there or some gunk that's preventing it from freeing up. So what you want to do is you want to clean this out if it has gunk in it and lubricate it. So if your hood latch is sticky and it's a little rusty, you can use some PB Blaster to free it up, and you can just kind of spray it in there and get all the gunk and rust out of there. You might need to take a wire brush and brush that latch that holds the hood in place. And once that's all freed up, you can put some white lithium grease on it. Some white lithium grease. I happen to pick up the liquid wrench one, but pretty much any brand will do. You can typically find it at any hardware store or any auto parts store in your area. And you're going to want to spray some of it in here on the latch that holds the hood down. So make sure you kind of hit it, and it'll kind of go in like that. And you're going to want to get it from the back side if you can access it too. So now you can spray some on the back side as well. And that'll help to free the latch up and to keep it lubricated, and it hopefully won't stick on here anymore. So a lot of times it's all it takes to kind of free up a sticky hood latch. It's usually not that difficult to free it up. Over the years you can get some gunk in there. It can rust up on you. There could be like a little bit of a tree branch in there. Who knows? Anything could happen. But a few things will work for us. A little bit of preventative maintenance to keep that lubricated. It always helps. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave a question or a comment, and I will reply back to you. Thanks for watching, guys.